Hey, what is up with you guys? Another day, another podcast. So, nasundan nga guys ang ating episode 1. Welcome to episode 2 sa mga hindi nakapanood ng episode 1 at sa mga nanood ng episode 1. Ulit-ulit. Thank you. I think as of now, may lang tayo, 40 views. But anyways, yun nga, hindi ko naman na-expect na maraming manonood ng ating podcast or makikinig. But it's fine. Sa mga bago sa channel ko or sa mga hindi napanood yung episode 1, again, I am making a 20-minute podcast. Like, random lang siya, ganito lang siya, no edit, no cuts. It may be less than 20 minutes, but it couldn't be more than 20 minutes. And we'll talk about random things, kung ano man. But for today's video, we are going to discuss about, or I'm gonna be sharing about motherhood. And we have a special guest here, our little baby. She's 3 months old now. I think she's around 3 months and 2 weeks. Yeah, pa 4 months na siya, guys. So, ayun, nilagyan din natin siya ng mic. So, kung may maririnig kayong mga little coos and here and there, siya po yun. But anyway, again, welcome to another episode of this podcast. Again, wala pa rin siyang title. Or baka meron, pero hindi ko na lang siya kiniklaim na title ng podcast. So, ayun, for today's topic, it's about motherhood. Ay, nung buntis ako, guys, ito yung story time. I honestly didn't think about like labor and delivery, like just any other moms out there. Parang they worry so much about giving birth and all that. But for me, I didn't worry about that up until like parang last minute na, like yung parang 8 months na ako or yung malapit na ako mga anak, few weeks before I gave birth. Doon ko na lang siya inisip. I am more of the type of person na during pregnancy, I was more of worried na baka hindi ako maging good mom or sorry, kailangan natin i-adjust yung mic niya. Yeah, so I'm more of the type of mom, more of a type of pregnant woman that time na parang I worry so much about kaya ko ba maging mom, ready na ba ako? But you'll never be ready talaga, right? But then yun yung pinaka-worry ko na parang hala, paano ba magpalit ng diaper or paano ba, I don't know, it's more of being a mom, to be honest. And I know kasi magbabago yung life ko kapag may anak ka na. And yun yung mostly parang inisip ko at that time. And then, every time na may, ang hirap talaga pag ganito na walang cuts kasi medyo minsan nade-dead air ako. Gusto niya po magpakita sa vlog, kaya ayan, ay sa podcast pala. Can you say hi? No? Can you say hi? Say hi. Baka malawayan niya eh. Anyways, hayaan na natin siyang laruin yung mic. But anyways, yun nga, yun yung type of person ako nung nagbubuntis ako na I worry so much about if magiging okay ba ako after giving birth or paano yung postpartum. That's more of me. So yun. Anyways, so sa dami ng mga nakakausap ko sa work na madalas kasi mga matatanda na, tapos may mga anak na din and all that. Tapos, lagi nilang, even yung mga sa doctor's office ko, sa family doctor ko, lagi nilang sinasabi na, kaya mo yan, matututunan mo din naman lahat, ganyan. Na parang, wag mong masyadong i-worry. Tapos, yung isa sa pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan, up until now, is yung sinabi sa akin ng secretary ng family doctor ko na, don't worry, Angel. She's a Filipina din. Sabi niya, don't worry, Angel. It will come naturally. Literally, yun yung, ay, natanggal na yung mic. Oh, sige, go. Mag-podcast ka na. Ala, natanggal. Nasaan na yung ulo na. Ala, natanggal. Baka kinain mo. Nasaan na? Wait lang. Nawala yung ano dito. Oh, nasaan na? Akala ko nasubo niya na eh. Anyways, ano nga sinasabi ko? Ang hirap pala pag may special guest. Ang likot niya. Hindi mapakali. Oh. Look at the video, baby girl. Look, there you are. I was supposed to film this podcast sa labas kanina nung nag-walk kami. Or kanina din na habang tulog pa siya dito sa bahay. But then, may iba kong mga ginawa na mga bagay-bagay. Tapos, ngayon, kanina before kami mag-film, super jolly niya pa. So sabi ko, do you wanna take a video? Do you wanna take a video? Tapos lagi siyang nagsismile, ganyan. So sabi ko, sige, ano na natin, push natin tong podcast. But anyways, yun nga, going back, sabi ko, yung hindi ko makakalimutang advice sa akin nung secretary ng family doctor namin is, oh, maririnig nila yung iyak mo. Ayan, ganyan muna siya. Na it will come naturally. So, hold and behold guys, totoo nga talaga. Lahat ng mga pinagsasabi ng mga moms out there na matututunan mo din naman yan. Tapos, yung lalabas na lang talaga sa'yo naturally. Kasi, ako guys, story time, ang hilig ko manood ng mga videos, ng mga TikTok, gano'n. Tapos, parang lahat ko siya inaaral. But then, I came to realize na it doesn't make sense na aralin mo kasi every baby is different. Every motherhood experience is different. Every parang, alam mo yun, upbringing, yung values mo, iba-iba. So, the way ka magpapalaki ng bata is really different. And dun ko na lang talaga na-realize na, ay, oo nga, matututunan ko naman pala lahat along the way. Parang okay lang, guys, na hindi mo alam ngayon. Kasi baka bukas, malaman mo na. Tapos nakakatawa habang, kino-conceptualize ko tong podcast na to. Narealize ko, alam mo, gusto ko mag-thank you sa ChatGPT at sa TikTok. At bihira sa Instagram Reels, tsaka Facebook Reels. But, thank you TikTok at ChatGPT. Kasi, kunyari, 1 month nun si Chelsea, tapos pa 2 months, parang gano'n. Lahat ng milestones, lahat ng mga pwede kong malaman sa newborn, lahat lumalabas sa FYP ko. So parang natututo ako, tapos I get to search. Tapos YouTube din, guys. Talaga, thank you so much sa YouTube kasi ang daming mga moms out there na nagva-vlog, tapos they share their experiences and I learn from them. Hindi ko man lahat sinusunod yung mga napapanood ko. But then I get to have an idea. Tapos I do more of the research. Tapos, yun, saka ko ina-apply whatever na mag-click sa akin, whatever mag-resonate sa akin. So, yun. Tapos, kaya doon ko talaga napatunay na along the way, matututunan mo siya. Alam niyo, to be honest, I didn't know how to, parang change diaper. Tapos, I do have, wait lang. Ay, nakikinig ka? Nakikinig ka, baby girl? Ang daming nangyayari. Sinasabi ko, I do have, one little sister. Not even a little na siya. Pero, 10 years kasi guys yung gap namin. Tapos, shout out to your tita. 10 years yung gap namin, guys. So, I was 10 years old when she was born. And, I didn't even remember kung paano ba siya. Nag-diaper pa siya noon, naglampin. I don't know. I don't even remember anything. Parang ganon. So, I really didn't learn how to take care of a baby, to be honest. Tapos, sa mga pamangkin ko, syempre hindi naman ako direct may contact sa kanila, di ba? Yes. Time first, guys. Time first. Hi! 11 minutes na. May natutunan ba kayo, guys? Sabi ko walang cut, but I have to pause the video. Don't worry, hindi ko naman siya, pinas ko lang siya sa phone. Oh my goodness. So, ayun nga, I didn't know everything about, tapos wala naman din sa akin nagturo, guys. Ang hirap. Wala din sa akin nagturo, guys, ng, alam mo yun, magpalit ng diaper, magpalit ng damit ng baby. Lahat siya matututunan mo talaga along the way. Or even magkarga ng baby. Literally, natutunan ko na lang siya, guys, along the way. May kodigo ako, guys. Ayan o. Kasi sabi ko baka maging magulo to. Ayun. I also didn't know how to, paano paliguan yung mga babies, ganyan. Tapos natutunan mo na lang talaga siya. Thank you, TikTok. Kasi ang daming relatable. Again, yung napapanood ko sa TikTok, hindi lahat ginagaya ko. So, napanood ko, tapos tignan natin if it will work sa baby ko or not, ganon. I just take inspiration from them, even sa YouTube. Ano ba yan? Wait lang. Ayaw niya na yata sumama sa video. Hi, umexit na, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm violating my own podcast rules. But anyways, so hiniga ko muna siya dito sa harap ko. So ayun, biggest din na hindi ako marunong during ngayon na motherhood is yung pag-breastfeed. Kasi hindi ko naman nakita din noon kung paano magpa-breastfeed yung mom ko or kung sino man, ganon. And I do watch videos, pero yung ako na mismo, parang, paano to? Okay, to be honest, alam mo, isang beses lang na may nagturo sa akin in person paano mag-latch yung baby. And yun yung nasa hospital, and super liit niya pa. And I can really remember ngayon na parang, paano ba siya, like tummy to tummy, parang ganon, like yung technique ba. Pero as time goes by, syempre lumalaki yung bata, mag-iiba yung mga positioning. And to be honest, sa dami ng napanood kong videos, I mean, wala dun sa isang video na yun yung mag-specific na mag-work sa inyo as a mom. As a mom and your daughter, whatever, your baby. So, talagang i-explore mo kung what works para sa inyong dalawa. Ngayon, di ko naman masasabi, guys, super galing ko na as a mom or super galing ko na magpa-breastfeed kasi hindi naman talaga. Ang point ko lang is, yun, matututunan mo lang talaga siya along the way. Ano pa ba? Hindi ko din alam, guys, kung paano mo malalaman kung gutom na ba si baby or busog na siya, overfed ba siya, may kabag ba siya. Tapos meron ganyan mga videos sa TikTok yung parang may different sounds daw sa, yung different cries, yung baby. Guys, hindi ko yun ma-master. Pero, super proud ako na sabihin, alam ko sa baby ko kung gutom na siya or irritable siya. Parang ngayon, irritable na siya. Alam ko. Pero sa ibang baby, I wouldn't know. Tapos hindi ko din ma-distinguish yung mga different types ng cries. It doesn't work that way for me. Pero alam mo lang, just by looking at your baby or just by hearing your baby, you'll know talaga. Ewan ko, may sarili kaming connection. Tapos, ayun, thanks to TikTok and YouTube again. Paulit-ulit ako guys. Pero dun ko natutunan yung iba't ibang mga milestones ng baby. And makikita mo, matutuwa ka talaga na, hala, oo nga, ang galing na ng leeg niya, ng shoulders, ganyan. Umiyak na talaga siya. Wait lang, kunin natin. Okay, someone's back again. Gusto niya po kasama sa video. Sabi niya, tahimik lang daw po siya. No. Almost done, just 5 minutes. Ay, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya magkabuhayan si Mami. She's sleepy, guys. So, eto, alam mo na antok na siya, guys. Alam ko. By just, looking at her eyes. And yung cry niya. It's okay. 16 minutes na may natutunan ba kayo? Ayun guys, so dahil nga motherhood yung topic natin. Hindi ko ito matatapos. I have to end the video. Ayun guys, mag-closing remarks na tayo. Closing remarks. Motherhood, sabi ko dito, motherhood is such a beautiful experience. Lalo na kung first time mom ka talaga guys. Syempre, iti-treasure mo lahat ng... naiyak. Lahat iti-treasure mo na mga moments, gano'n, with your baby. Kasi nga, first time mom ka. So, any first cry, first yung pag-smile niya sa'yo, first pag-rollover niya, lahat yun iti-treasure mo. Kaya sobrang thankful ako and grateful ako dito sa Canada. Kasi guys, yung maternity leave namin it's a paid maternity leave for 18 months. So, you get to choose kung gusto mo 12 months or 18 months. Tapos paid yun. We get something from the government. And yun, meron ding child benefits. Again, I wanted to go into details about it, but siguro sa ibang podcast na yun, medyo tahimik. But, ayun lang, motherhood guys, huwag kayong mag-alala. Sa mga first time mom dyan, sa mga anak pa lang, or planning to get pregnant, don't worry too much guys, kasi matututunan nyo talaga lahat. If you need something, or if you need help, ganon, don't, parang hesitate na mag-seek kayo ng help and all that. Kasi, madami talaga yung, tutulong sa'yo. And then, matututunan mo lahat along the way. I promise you guys, don't worry too much. Kasi kapag nag-worry ka too much, hindi mo ma-enjoy yung journey mo as a first-time mom. Hindi mo ma-enjoy yung motherhood na journey mo. So, yun lang, pinaka-advice ko guys is to just enjoy yung experience and don't worry too much. So, I will see you guys on my next podcast. Say bye to Chelsea. Say bye. No, she's not happy about it. Say bye. Yeah, we're almost done. Goodbye. Thank you guys.